In this video, I will show you how you can fix the crackling sound or the static noise on your AirPods or on your AirPods Pro. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just take out your AirPods from the charging case, then just use a Q-tip and clean the microphone area. Now you might have noticed that this problem happens when you enable noise cancellation or transparency mode. This is because the transparency mode and noise cancellation uses the microphones of your AirPods, and if they're blocked, you will hear static noise or crackling sound. Now after you clean the microphones on your AirPods, then just place them in the charging case and close the lid. And after that, on your iPhone, just open Settings and tap on Bluetooth. From here, just make sure you enable Bluetooth, and after that, just tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name. Now at the bottom of the list, just select Forget this device, then tap on Forget device. Then just perform a restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now while your iPhone is restarting, just perform a factory reset on your AirPods. For that, just open the lid of your AirPods case and place both of the AirPods in the charging case. And after that, just double tap 3 times on the LED on the charging case. As you can see, this is the first double tap, the second, and the third. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED starts blinking on the charging case, which indicates that you have completed the factory reset process. But if you're using the AirPods Pro or any other AirPods which have a button at the back, now to factory reset that type of AirPods, just open the lid of the AirPods case. Now just press and hold the button at the back of the AirPods until the LED on the charging case turns into orange. And once that happens, this indicates that you have completed the factory reset process. After that, just close the lid of your AirPods case. Now on your iPhone, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now just go to Bluetooth and make sure you enable Bluetooth. And after that, just open the lid of your AirPods case and pair your AirPods with your iPhone. So just follow the instructions on the screen to pair your AirPods with your iPhone. And after that, just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then after you pair your AirPods with your iPhone, then just go to Settings. Then over here, just tap on the name of your AirPods. Under Listening Mode, if your AirPods is on transparency mode or noise cancellation, just select Off. And also use your AirPods at 50 or 60% volume. Now after you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just update the firmware of your AirPods. For that, just place both of your AirPods in the charging case and plug your AirPods into charge. Now just make sure you have enough charge on your AirPods. Your AirPods must have more than 20% charge. Now while your AirPods is plugged into charge, just pair your AirPods with your iPhone. And also make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. Now just leave your AirPods connected with your iPhone and plugged into charge. Now just leave it for around 20 minutes and it will automatically update its firmware. And this is how you can fix the crackling sound or the static noise on your AirPods or on your AirPods Pro. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.